What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Burndown YouTube channel. If you've been following along lately, you know that I've been on Struggle Street, Struggle Bus, all the way to Struggle Town with the Malibu. We did like a little round robin around the block yesterday. It is kind of late, early afternoon. I should say it's not late day, but it's past noon. It's probably the hottest part of the day. And we're going to take a jaunt on over to my buddy Joe's house, and we'll get this thing on the freeway and we'll do a quick test, and then that should be far enough that we can kind of rest it and give it a break. We'll kind of see what he's doing, and then I got a fun video of his truck that I can share with you guys. You guys will enjoy. Toward the end of the video we can kind of talk about it, and we'll see if his truck is on jack stands or whatever. But he's the guy with the Raptor swapped F100. So let's go stretch this thing's legs, see how these new gears do on the freeway. Today's a spicy nacho, dude. It's 100 at least. So we're gonna steering wheel seems a little janky, huh? So maybe we'll check that at Joe's. So we're gonna cruise over, and then we'll see how we go. But I left the hood on. I got the fans set, so we'll see what the temps do and all that stuff. So today is a great test to get it out and drive it and see what the heat does. Speaking of that, turn the transmission fan on to all of my setup. So let's roll. Man, it's so hot today that the metal part of my seatbelt is burning me because this part of the car was in the sun. So yeah, it's pretty warm. We'll just cruise along. Nothing's really even up to temp yet. The gears are phenomenal. Everything sounds much better. It doesn't sound like this thing wants to whine and shake itself apart. So hopefully she's nice on the freeway too. So I'll bring you guys back when we jump on the on-ramp. Alright, we're gonna jump on the freeway. I got my phone set up with a speedometer because this doesn't have a speedometer, so just trying to kind of keep up with traffic and see what the RPMs are. Again, we're not beating on nothing just yet. Try to be nice to it until we don't have to be nice to it. So typical California, this is what we do on freeways. We sit and we wait. So that's the exit I need to get off at. Everything's doing good temp-wise though. And like I said, I got the hood on. And she motors along just under 3 grand. You know, it's 60 miles an hour, which is more than bearable. So I'll bring you back when we get to Joe's. We'll take a look at his truck. But the other thing too is this thing wants to start to shimmy over that, like 70 or whatever-ish. So I might have the tires checked and rebalanced. We'll go through over all of them because it seems like it's blah blah blah. Maybe we lost some weights on race week or something, but we can't have that at the speeds we're going to go. All right, we made it. The car did fantastic. I left the hood and everything on too, so I just wanted to kind of see. But cooling, everything, this thing is phenomenal. It's 100 today. It's no joke. And then sitting on the freeway, it's getting a little. I was getting warm. The car was okay, which is phenomenal. But we are here at my buddy Joe's house. Say hi to everybody, Joe. Hey. So this is Joe, and this is Joe's awesome Raptor swap.
It's on the healing bench.
It's yeah, we're gonna show you. Well, do you still have one in there?
Yeah, it's over here.
So Joe and I took this thing to Irwindale. What was it, last week?
Yeah.
So we went to Irwindale last week.
Turned out we were cooking tacos. We're making tacos.
And we drove the truck there, and everything did phenomenal. And we went to make a couple hits. What happened, Joe?
Yeah, definitely taco the leaf springs on the second pass.
So he made 2 passes, and I have footage, so we'll share it with you because I asked Joe if it'd be. It's pretty fun. It's a fun video. But so this one actually isn't quite as bad. Oh yeah, there it is.
No, it's definitely bad.
There's the bend. I was looking up here. I'm like, oh, it's not so bad. Oh yeah, it is. So it buckled 2 of these, and then the other one was the same. But luckily, he got lucky on the drive shaft. Nothing hit or broke.
It definitely touched it.
Yeah, it touched it. Yeah, a little rub, a little loving.
A little love tap.
And then the other one over here is gone. So he's having a custom leaf spring pack made right now. So we'll be back in action, and we'll bring you guys back when we take this back to the track, because it was fun. This thing's doing work. He put a bunch of stuff in it. Let me know if you guys want to learn about it, but he put a new transmission and all kinds of fun stuff in this thing. It even has the keypad. So one-touch windows and all the fun stuff. So we'll save that for another video. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments, and then we'll shake Joe down and we'll get it when it's actually running and it's not a workbench, and it's not healing when it's being nice, and we'll talk about it. So that's pretty much it. We're doing some top secret stuff over here. This is where I'm gonna leave you guys, but the car did phenomenal. I'm excited about it. And yeah, a few more things we'll be ready for Rocky Mountain Race Week, LS Fest West with the boom. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. I'm out.